Hi. You know what? Branding. That is not like branding, but like social positioning means. It means that you, as a being, human, spiritual, healer, witchy, bitchy, is knowing her or his place in this world. When you exactly understand where do you stand, where do you move, and how you can make others benefit from your existence. And this is about like your life's purpose, your soul purpose. As for me, I'm a witch. I'm a healer. Hello. Awakened soul. Exactly know who I am. Exactly know who I'm reborn. So, and this is from the childhood. So, how it is for you? Do you know who you are? Do you know where you stand? Do you know what lessons do you need to go through in this lifetime? And through whom you get learning these lessons? As for me, then these are grounded people and especially technical people, where I see aligning in some certain way because of that, like the work in LinkedIn is. And outside of it, next one is about the readings and getting my new deck, and it's really good smelling. Oh, actually I have another one too, also a new one, but it will be later. Somehow 3 times before I had a reading for myself. Maybe to get to know the deck. I'll get to know it, so I'll have this one. But in any case, something needs to come up also for the YouTube. Ace of Cups, yeah, Ace of Cups, like the love of the universe is coming to you. Maybe through me, maybe also through other readers or healers. But you can know that the love that you're pouring into yourself will like go overflowing to others. And Queen of Wands. It's like more about the feminine energy, maybe because I am feminine, but also like you know your worth, you know your strength, and you are going in this world knowing that you don't need to chase anyone. 9 of Cups, you have not the full fulfillment, not the absolute fulfillment, but towards it. And the 8 of Wands. What was 8 of Wands? Like great hope and express messenger. Like when you are embodying the love in yourself, then naturally you are connecting more with people who are appreciating you around. And it is a death because, like, the old timeline is crashing down and you are becoming unapologetically yourself. And the Hierophant. Yeah. Mercy and goodness. You are the whole in yourself. And with the rose. And Two of Cups, yeah. Again, I have this coming out naturally again. So you have this love within, around, and in union with yourself and the world. This positioning of yourself in this world is something that we all need to do. Something that we all need to feel through. Where do you belong? Where do you not belong? Who you can benefit from? Who can benefit from you? What do you feel aligned to being just today? And what you're not feeling aligned to. Knock, knock, knocking on the heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on the heaven's door. Okay, cheers, Lilita.